Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Data Analyst Explorers. In this video, we will solve question 22 of a HackerRank SQL challenge, which is advanced select of binary tree nodes. So, let's discuss the question. So, you are given a table BST containing two column and P, where and represent a value of a node in binary tree and P is the parent of n. So, basically, we have a two column and P, and n denotes the value for a node in a binary tree, and p is the parent of that n. And now and write a query to find node type of binary tree ordered by the value of the node. Output one of the following for each node. Root if node is root node. Leaf node is leaf node. Inner if node is neither root or nor leaf. So now we will now let's try to understand this. So this expression. So here we can see that the number 5, yeah, the number 5 will be an root node. Then while the type of the node for number 5 is root node, because for 5 there is not a parent root is available, and from 5 this whole binary tree is started. So 5 it will be called a root node where all the things are started, and 2 and 8 will be called an inner node type, because this 2 is parent for this 1 and 3 number, and this is also a child node for the number 5. And and the last one, 1 and 3, will be called and leaf node, because there is no child for this number 1 and 3. I hope you have understood the three cases. If no parent will be a parent node will be available, then it will be called an uh, uh, root node, and if parent will be available, then it will be called an inner root. And also and if there is no child value will be available, then this will be called as an leaf node. And now let's try to write the code. So now I will use select, and so we have to select the integer n. Now we will use a case statement. Case when my value p here is the value is the parent of the parent of n. When p is null, when a parent will not be available, then it will be a root node, right? Then it will be a root node. And now we will write the second condition. When and in, we will write a sub query here. Select distinct p from the table name bst, then it will be an inner node. Inner node. And the last one is the else statement. If these two condition is not available, then it will return leaf leaf. And I'm writing this the name of this condition as uh, node types. And we will now write the table name here. Lastly, from the table name bst, order by the value of n. So the first condition is for the root node type. If parent will not be available, then this n value will return the root name, and this subquery will return the distinct parent name. For the inner node type, there will be a parent. So if the inner node will be a parent of some other child node. So if n will be in the if will be in the list of parent, then it will return an inner. If these both condition are not met, then it will return the leaf. Neither it will be a parent or neither uh, uh, and also and in the last I have written the node types, and from the table and order by n, because we have to here the find the node type of binary ordered by the value of the node. So we have to order this. So I am writing is that order by n in the order ascending. And now let's try to run the code. And here we can see that our answer is right, and we can click on the submit button. And thank you for watching this video.